Okay.
Let me go to
Last week. No, last week.
so today till just 12 o'clock we'll take, guys. We'll do some basic configuration using packet tracer. Okay, so then we'll jump.
1 second. Okay, don't change the slide.
Yeah.
For wireless fidelity, it's like a dual band. It lasts supporting. Last supporting.
Okay.
Fidelity is nothing but meaning in general terms. It's like a support kind of thing. Wireless support. What it gives. You're saying that dual band, which how that? How it will be?
Yeah, that I will tell you. I will access my this thing. I will do that.
What did you said about fidelity? You said no.
Yeah. What is fidelity, guys? No one has tell me what is
I
meaning.
thought that it means like a support kind of thing.
Support.
In general terms, in general, what is that meaning in general terms?
See, guys, wireless is it is nothing but it is a fixed range. First, understand this. So it will work based on number of meters, like 15 meters, okay, 20 meters, okay, 50 meters. The frequency, the range like which you have got it, say example 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, the signal will travel at a long distance.
10 meters.
Yeah, maybe I think 10 meters. With a long distance, it will travel, but okay, the bandwidth is less. Your bandwidth is less.
Yeah, as you keep on moving, it will be less.
Yes.
Yeah, bandwidth will be less. That is what this is called 2.4 gigahertz. Also, we'll call the 4G.
Yes.
4G network.
Yes.
Now, what is 5G now?
5G is now
5 gigahertz.
Latest. Yeah.
Okay, 5 gigahertz. The transfer rate is very huge, but with a less distance.
Less distance and bandwidth also is less.
Yes.
Bandwidth is high.
Oh no, bandwidth is high. Yeah, correct.
Bandwidth is high.
Bandwidth is high and less distance. Yeah, that
less
is
distance.
that one is 10 meters. This will be 757 meters with that.
No, it will. I think this will go nowadays. I think 15 meters.
Yeah, this is 15. No, I'm telling example, Taj. This is 15
yeah,
meters.
15 meters.
5G.
For the 4G network, suppose the clock rate is 4 gigahertz, like 4.4 gigahertz. Okay, as per my thing, I think this also it will reach up to 30 meters.
But signal strength for
signal strength are so weak, but still they can able to send message. They can do some messages. They can do, and audio calls also possible. And video call is not possible if you are far away from your access point. We'll call it as your wireless access point.
WAP.
WAP. So these all things we can see in the entity, because every floor they have fixed automatically. It will get connected, right?
Yes.
So automatically it got connected. Okay.
But whereas 3G, even
okay,
that
this guy, so he's a guy who is a father of Wi-Fi. a senior research fellow of Delft
Then,
University of Technology, Delft in Netherlands. So he's a guy who has developed very nice technology. He has developed how Wi-Fi networks works. You can see Wi-Fi hotspot create, install an internet connection, signal access point support up to 30 users. That is all depending upon the device's capabilities. So many access point can be connected each other by Ethernet cable or single large network. I think you know the basic connection, right? So have you accessed your Wi-Fi router? Anybody? Access point as a large station. Anybody has access, guys?
Yeah, I have access.
Have done any
Yes.
configuration inside?
There is no touch. I have changed the password and all. I've changed the name.
that is a basic thing. He's asking about the configuration, which any like what are the
that is also
networking
configuring
configuration?
I'm talking about this is wireless. You have configured. See, password you have changed. Okay, fine, good. Okay, you have done any? You have set any rules?
Yes, Taj. Restriction is there.
Restriction. So I will access my router, guys. Okay, I will show you that.
Hey, you have not done, is it, Vikas?
Mhm.
You have not accessed your own router.
Only at the time of installation, that guy, he said, I will come and do it. It's okay. You tell me what are the things to do. You just guide me. I did it. After that, I did it.
Because there are a lot of things inside the router also.
That we have to go and do another research. Even when we were at the entity training, also we were connected with Touch. That time also he said that same.
Now also I also can access my router.
Touch, one question after this.
Yeah.
I just want to see. I've taken a very lesser Mbps of ISP. Okay. To Wi-Fi. Can we enhance this one, like amplify the signal rate or anything? Then Mbps, it's not possible.
No.
So only with that ISP they have to do it, right?
Yeah, only ISP side.
Okay.
Means like how you are talking, right?
Like means in volumes and all, how we increase it, if we amplify and reduce it.
Suppose we can see my screen, right?
Yes.
नहीं ताज भाई कर सकते हैं ताज भाई. ताज कर सकते हैं.
No, the way you said no, it's a
No, we can do.
You can do.
You can do it.
हमारे घर पे है ताज भाई, हम लोगों ने किया है.
Can we make it?
We did it. Yes. In our house, we have 2 routers.
Okay.
What did we do is we connected one to the main with the line, okay? With the wired one, LAN के साथ कर दिया एक connection.
That is an extension, no?
That's what he asked, Taj. Repeater.
No. It's not an extension. Extension, I know. Even we have that extender kind of thing. We put it in our rooms or anything. In the one location, you will get it. The inside, if you go to if you're accessing in the inside room, we'll get lesser speed. The signal gets reduced. So that one, that is an extension kind of thing. I'm talking about amplifying my Mbps. That is not possible, right?
Mbps, no. That is fixed from the ISP, no?
ISP. Okay.
Yes.
It's like obviously this one, the bandwidth, what is it's that is a payable, right? So being a technology engineer or anything, we have to think on that.
Then
like like a sound signal, how we increase, if you increase your volume in your tape recorders or in your stereo, it amplifies its signal, again reduces. How can't we do the same thing?
One option is there. Because one option is there for you.
Yes.
You can hack into your ISP and get the speed up. That's all you can do. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm asking. I'm asking because even sound is also a signal. This is also a signal. Obviously, it's a signal. It's like that. Nobody can physically. It's the thing.
No, you are especially from the ISP when it comes, it's like a fixed range. So much they'll fix whatever you have.
I think so. There should be any option. I guess not. It should be there.
No, man. How it is possible, man? See, it's not possible. See, you are taking pipe size of 100 Mbps. Okay. So now you are connecting to your Wi-Fi router with this cable, right? Okay. Then Wi-Fi, this one, you are connecting your mobile phone, some wireless, your laptop, and your desktop. So now you are asking me the question, okay, I want to increase this bandwidth. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, maybe I think you want to increase to 300 Mbps, I want. But you want to pay money only for 100 Mbps. This is your question, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
It's not possible, right? No, because anyhow it's an amplifying the.
Pawan, are you there?
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Arthuman, that question, no? Vikas,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
sure,
See,
everyone.
Vikas Kalla fellow.
Huh?
Kalla
Right.
fellow Vikas.
Arthuman,
If you want to
Yes,
do,
sir, yes, sir.
I think 100 Mbps double katte 300 Mbps ella cheyali ani adugutunna.
Double-minded, sir.
it's not a double minded. It's like
Smart work, man. Is
yes.
Yeah.
like
Smart
he
work.
Yes,
he
yes.
want to use the technology
How
with
to
less
use? Yeah.
technology.
He wants to rip the ASP.
Okay,
That
See.
is fixed no touch.
this is
That
fixed
would be
because you
fixed.
know
You
when
know,
you take the connection for 100 Mbps. Okay, so this is the pipe they will assign to you. This is support only your 10 Mbps. Okay, which they configure on their switches.
Mm.
Okay, okay. This switch also has got capability to support up to 1000 Mbps. Okay, what they will do? They will give the only pipe size only for 100 Mbps. They will configure here. We can decrease the pipe size, right? We can decrease the pipe size here. Okay, then they can send. Okay, now you tell me the how, even though it will support up to 1000 Mbps, but you cannot access this huge amount of data. You want to try to access to you, even they have given only 100 Mbps. Okay, it's not possible for you to just get this huge amount of data. How you are going to configure it? First of all, you don't have access for this device. You must have access to this device, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then you can ask me the question, how this Internet Download Manager, IDM, you know about this, guys?
Download manager.
IDM?
Mhm.
Yeah, I think I have this because I bought it last year. Yeah, Internet Download Manager. You know about this, guys?
It is an application touch.
Yes, application. You know about this one, guys? Internet Download Manager. See, if you have around 500 GB or 100 GB or 200 GB, it will download in only 30 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes. It download very fast. And this is the paid one. Free version also is there. Okay, IDM, I think they have it is registered to my name. Expiry date is whatever download means I can download. Yesterday I downloaded I think 8 GB. Okay, so it will download in just I think 2 or 3 minutes.
Oh, super patch. Oh, it's last on my birthday only. Last.
It's not expired. Expired in
No,
2023.
it expires on September 16th. That was my birthday.
Oh, your birthday. Okay. Okay, now you can ask me the question now. See,
Yes.
if I check my internet speed, so we can know it will not cross more than 100. I think I told you, right? Why? Pawan, can you tell me this? Let me ask you, Pawan. Pawan, why, even though if you check, okay, my internet ISP is 500 Mbps.
Okay.
Okay. So ఇప్పుడు నా ఇంట్లో వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు okay, I have the internet connection about 500 Mbps. So this is showing 90 approximate, 92 and upload and downloading is 93. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so I'll stop this screen sharing. I will share you the other screen sharing. Right. So let's see. Here, what I'm going to do, I will check the internet speed here.
Okay.
So now my question is, okay, this is a wireless power. This is a wireless what I'm showing you.
Yeah, yeah.
Where previously what I showed, it is a wired one. So look at the speed.
Wired.
So it's crossing the 300 Mbps.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what is the logic now? Before I jump to
That is
the
the
lab.
difference, sir. Wired and wireless. Jump to the lab.
See, in wired, I'm getting very less now.
Yeah.
300 Mbps I'm getting. And
Yes.
uploading is 180. In the wired, I'm getting very less. What is the reason? He was there, right? I think I told you one day. If I test once again, okay, so it will get the same speed, up to 300 or 350, sometimes 400 also it will come. This is a wireless. In wireless, I'm getting more. In wired, I'm getting very less. Why is that?
Maybe, yeah. Maybe wired networks are connected through cables. That's why.
See, if it is a cable connection, it should come high-end speed. No? You should get good speed than wireless. And this is what I'm showing to you right now on the screen. This is the wired one.
It's a desktop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A desktop. I'm getting it's not getting across 100 Mbps.
Because of that pipe size, that port size, whatever it is, that hardware setting.
Yes.
Hardware. It depends on the hardware.
The hardware. The port throughput is very less here.
Yeah.
A few days back only he told no da.
Just exactly 3-4 days behave.
Yeah. I told you about this. See, when you take your computers, okay, so you know your Ethernet ports have the two types again. So it will support 100 Mbps and 1000 Mbps. See, because
new laptops and other desktops are connected.
New laptop, it will support 1000 Mbps now.
Yeah.
Because you know my desktop, it will support only 100 Mbps. That's the reason it's showing like 90 and 90 is download.
Yeah,
and
because that has the maximum speed of this one, 100.
100.
Yeah.
So less than 120 to be coming.
That's the reason it's showing very less amount of speed.
That's yeah.
Okay. Remember, this is very important. This is a very basic one. Okay, let's jump on the slide now. See, so type of network wireless, same thing what we can see your PAN, performance monitoring, cable replacing peripheral like LAN, WAN, MAN, same connectivity, there's no difference. Okay, how we are connecting the LAN inside the network guide, same thing in the wireless as well. Okay, I think this is
1 minute, Tajbhai. Just go to backslide.
Yeah. Wireless performing high performance like your mobile extension wire, you can connect it on the MAN. Okay. And MAN, guys, I think anybody visited Delhi?
I have visited n number of times.
Okay, you know, there's a lot of in the Chowk, almost on every main place in Delhi. So they
it's
have
all free Wi-Fi, Taj.
Yeah, free Wi-Fi.
Here also it's there, Taj, in Bangalore.
Even in at railway station, you have a railway
Yeah,
connect.
in railway station.
MG Road and Brigade Road is full of wireless.
Yes.
Okay, railway station, I think in MG Road, in some places like Brigade Road, and some they have installed it. Not in everywhere. I think
No,
in
entire Brigade Road is there, Taj. Full Brigade Road it is there.
Wi-Fi is there. Do you know how? Yeah.
But the speed is so less. I tried connecting when I was in MG Road. It will ask you to register with your phone number. It will send you a OTP. And then we can log in. Okay.
Yeah, same thing in railway station. I have tried to log in.
Yes,
And,
touch.
Railway station also is there, Taj. Yeah.
Railway station also gets touch. Only related railway related informations you'll get little bit faster. If you are accessing your social media or anything, it will take very less time. Takes so much.
I think it is less than 10 Mbps.
Yes.
That's all.
That 10 Mbps, it's if 1,000 people are there in a platform. So
Guys, because don't recommend, guys. This is what kind of this thing, guys. Whenever you travel, so I don't recommend.
It's a public network. Don't use much.
You're not supposed to, because we could able to get hacked.
Yeah. So public network is not recommended. So especially for your airport.
Yes.
No, Taj. Actually, airport, no. What happens, I'll tell you. Airport, there is two types of network in the airport also, Taj.
Yeah.
I myself have used, so I'm telling, okay. One is your airport own network. Okay, which is only when you go to inside the airport, it will show you two networks, Taj. One is the public network and one is the airport network with the name.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to download your PNR or anything from this one, if you connect your airport network, it's much faster than the regular public network, which says the place name.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Airport का जो नाम रहता ना था, example now here it's Kempegowda Airport.
Okay.
So here in Bangalore there is, and the Wi-Fi name itself is Kempegowda Airport.
It's a separate private network.
Okay.
That is only for the airport network, because, and one more next network is public network, Taj. Bangalore Airport Network, कुछ ऐसा है लिखा है.
Okay.
So there are two networks there also. So if you connect to the airport network, whatever, if you want to access about the airlines and all, PNR, Canada, downloading, whatever it is, it's very, very fast. Okay, and even a lot of people sit and watch movies also there. But there is a restriction for that one. Restriction ये है कि you can use only for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, it will get disconnected.
Okay.
Then you have to re-register yourself again.
Not required now, because in a city limit we can able to connect it. We have the sufficient data we can be able to connect.
No, if
the
we
issue
have,
is
people,
when we travel to other country, that is a big issue.
That's what I did Taj. I did when I went to Dubai. No, I did not have the connection. So I connected to the Dubai airport network, and I called from Wi-Fi to my cousins who were waiting outside.
Okay, when you was in Dubai?
When I was in Dubai.
In their airport also, in Dubai airport also they have
outstanding network. And that too not little speed and all. It is very, very fast, super fast.
There is internet is quite very fast. Okay. So let's jump for this one, guys. Let me complete this, then we'll take a small break and we'll complete this one. Okay. So let's
break lena nahi hai aaj.
No break now. Today is Friday. No problem, because no need to take break, because we are not going to. What about this Vikas and?
No problem, Vikas.
Yeah, it's
no
okay,
problem.
sir.
You can
No
continue.
problem.
You guys want break, because 12 o'clock will go off.
Yeah, that's what even I am also. I'm supposed to say that you only informed the extension. But that's okay for the sim. I have to just complete that conversation.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
I'll
it's
complete
okay.
this slide. I'll show you the basic like packet tracer or else very small labs. I'll show you. Okay.
Okay.
I know about this one, right? Wireless devices and
Yes.
even
This one we know touch.
Okay, I think you can connect to your
That is
desktop
for the PC.
PC, and this is your wireless links. This belongs to the Cisco device. Okay, so these are the devices like where we can use for your wireless connectivity at your home, at your office. So next, if you talk about the wireless standards, wireless network use the radio technology to transmit and receive the data with the high speed. That is A11A, B, A, and G. B, A, G. So these are the few standards they have mentioned. So again, they have B introduced late in 90s. It will support up to 4 and 6 Mbps actually speed. Most of the less expensive. So it support up to
Better 150 range.
150 range.
150.
Operates 2.4 gigahertz radio frequency spectrum. Inference from mobile phone and Bluetooth device can be reduced your transmission speed.
Yeah, 10 meters.
Okay. So let's go to next slide. 11. I think this they have introduced in when 2001. Okay, support up to 15 to 20 Mbps, 50 to 75 range, more expensive, operate on 5 gigahertz. So less popular, not compatible with 11B. Okay, they
because
keep
this lesser the Mbps.
Yeah.
This is only 4G.
So 11G, 54 Mbps, you can see. Again, they have introduced a 54 Mbps compatible with B. Range has been increased. Okay, combination of both standard A and B. So it will support only still this 2.4 gigahertz, which is not sufficient for us. Right? Still is not sufficient because Wi-Fi it has got the capabilities. It has got the capabilities.
1.3 giga Gbps.
Yeah.
1.3.
802.11 AC.
802.11
AC speed up to 1.3 gigahertz per second. Can you see?
Oh my God. This is 5G, I guess.
Yes. This is the 5G. Does transfer enough transfer for entire high definition movie to tablet under 4 minutes? Photo sharing album, friends matters, you are streaming 3 HD videos at the same time, which is sufficient, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
even
yes.
What about this screen mirroring touch? We have that in mobiles and Android TV televisions that we have that screen mirroring kind of thing. Right? Even that is also wireless, or it should be in wired.
That is wireless, depending upon cable, because now at TV, if you have this Ethernet port backside, you can connect. Even it will support your wireless also.
Yes.
Okay, even it will support the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth, how we are connecting? Bluetooth, we are connecting with the keyboard. Okay, we are connecting with the keyboard, and with the mouse also we can connect it with the wireless for the Bluetooth. For the wireless, okay, we are going to connect for your router, wireless router.
That's why we have done like that only for the TV.
Yeah, because I don't have TV at my home. I don't use TV since 20 years. I never watched any TV.
No, we also don't watch that. Only hardly. I think maybe in a week once my father will on. That's all.
As from 6-7 months, even I'm also not watching TV because I just removed the TV.
6-7 months. We are not using only. See, now Taj told 20 years now. In our houses, what happened? Most of the places.
Guest in 20 years, I never watched any TV. Not even only 30 minutes when I go to my sister's home.
Oh.
Yeah, that we are not so generous as like you. We are little. We'll watch little, pa.
Because we are
What about porn? Porn, I think
Yeah.
in Andhra people they watch a lot of movies and TVs.
Ayo,
sir,
they
sir.
Andhra
Yeah,
people
their
lot of
requirement is
serial.
that level.
That is their different
Yes, it's
level.
correct,
Andhra
sir.
people.
Daily I was watching TV.
Daily watching.
Yeah.
They'll watch even lot of serials.
No, not serious.
Oh, home ladies talking about.
Yeah.
Ladies, home ladies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a few standard BG. If you can to just make it a few old one we are using. Okay, so in 2009, AN they have introduced this faster than the current one. AC is a now new Wi-Fi protocol intended to be neutral success for your 802.11n. You maybe heard about this 5G, or gigabytes Wi-Fi.
Gigabit 5.
Gigabytes Wi-Fi.
Going forward, even this also will not sufficient, I guess. That again, it comes to terabyte, I guess.
Guys, don't think, because this technology already they have developed 10 years ago.
Oh, that's what in other countries they are.
You know how, what is this one range they're using in this one? What?
US.
China. हम लोग अभी 5G यूज कर रहे हैं ना, अभी वो कौन सा यूज कर रहे हैं?
6G or 7G, I guess. Either it should be running in 6G already. When we come up with 4G, that time itself they have come up with 5G or 6G. It was running.
Especially your Japan.
Even for the transfer for transportation, again they come up with the railway networks. They bought that bullet train kind of thing. It's also not possible. Again, they involved. They explored this one, that Vande Bharat. Again, the speed itself it's got reduced.
Yeah. The Wi-Fi network, guys, I think you might know the access point. Like, you have the access Wi-Fi cards also available. Your safeguard also available. So it's act as your firewall, antivirus software protect network from unvisited user. There is a recommended is keep changing the password. That is very important. So what is this wireless computer? Roam that one access point to another, software or hardware maintenance study network. So here we can see they are going to monitor about it. Say example, this is your access point where you can access your PCs. And even you can use as an extension. Some access point configure like required security authentication. When we are doing the authentication, we are connecting one more access point to make sure that we should use some secure password. And keep changing every month.
Usually this roaming kind of thing comes in the mobile networks.
Yeah,
within the states, if we travel here and there, the moment we enter those area, you'll get a pop-up message. Welcome to this.
Correct. If you have more than one hardware access point, then you must share a single internet connection. Same thing. That's the reason we are doing it, because here also. So I'm using like one access point. So where I can share all my users, because I have 4 antenna with the D-Link router.
4. Wow.
4 antenna. So this is my dual band. Dual band means it support your 4G and 5G. This is 2.4 gigahertz. This is 5 gigahertz.
For us also they have given from Airtel fiber, same thing, dual band.
Dual band. So it will support the 2 links. What it did means this will support long range, right? In my mobile, like I am for laptops, I have given this in the. I'll recommend only for this, because like for my laptop. So beside we have the Wi-Fi router. So I only recommend to access only 5G for laptop.
Yeah, I have connected like that on Taj.
Because I have not given.
All 5G and all the phones and all 4G.
4G phones also we can give 5G.
नहीं कर सकते हैं, but
Okay.
actually when it's a big, we have connected and for a speed touch.
So this is how I connected. Okay, so advantage of the Wi-Fi. Any advantage? Convenience, mobility, productivity, deployment, expandability, cost, speed, security, flexibility, reliability. These are the features, right? Very good features, right?
All the T's.
Yes.
So very good features.
All T's.
So it has got very good features, right? Wi-Fi. Is there any disadvantage, guys? Here you can see.
It is longest, but only with a limited number of range. Point number one. Within, say for example, if it is with home range, within the Wi-Fi, certain range only could able to access. Not to
Then
the
use the
higher.
extension. Use extension. I think I have my one Cisco router here. This is a old one. I am not using this one. If you see this one, Cisco, this one I was using long back, 7-8 years ago. Still is working, but I am not using it. See, first thing is inference, high power consumptions, range, and degradation in the performance. Because Wi-Fi router, it consumes the power supply, guys. So even like we have the inverters and everything, because when I started connecting Wi-Fi, these all devices consume the more power supply, okay, and a range also, as you said, a range. It has got the fixed range. That is the fidelity.
Fixed metric kind of thing. I guess.
Yeah. If we conclude this, guys, okay, so Wi-Fi, usually network technology is utilized radio frequency data range, Wi-Fi high speed. I think right? I think I already explained this. Since nearly all new laptops comes with the internal wireless cards. Now it is inbuilt wireless, right? That also I'll show you that. In packet tracer, how we can check that one. Okay, let me jump for this one because this slide is a lot of confusion, guys. This is very huge one. If you check this one, so I have around 300 slides. If you talk about frequency communication, so
it all comes under electronics. I said in electronics, we read all this.
Electronics. You are able to understand this microwave frequency, radio frequency, infrared.
PCME. In PCME touch. I'm supposed to take it to go for an aeronautical. So that's why I took electronics. When I scored well, touch. On electronics, I scored well. Whereas in mathematics, it's gone very upside down.
So wireless transmission like antenna, receiver, this.
Receivers. This one you can just send it across to us.
Okay, you want these slides?
Yes, touch.
This is almost 300 slides, man.
It's okay, touch. It is for my additional information.
Okay. So let me check it. Okay, I'm sharing this, so we can check from your side. So let's connect these guys. So where wireless devices, okay, where we can see the wireless device. If we click on the router, so we can see, scroll down. Yeah, I think this one. If we click on these wireless devices, guys, we can see, right? The cursor, it will show you there. The cursor, it will show you there. So there we can able to take your wireless device. Say this is my home network. I will take. Okay. So let's take one router. Router I will take 29110. Okay, I will take one switch to connect. And obviously then I will take one PC. And this side, In this side, I will take end user devices. Say I will take mobile phone. So automatically it will connect, guys. The moment you have taken, you can see right TV. So even you can connect. Okay, laptop also will connect. Okay, so now let me connect to this guy to this guy. Okay, so so now we can see we cannot this. How do we connect wireless for the laptop, guys?
Through hotspot or
Through wireless, no? Because in this laptop we should make this hop. You can say right, hop. Okay, and remove this, and this is the wireless adapter.
okay.
On it. So now it will connect to the wireless now. See.
Oh, in this one we have to do it like this.
If you take ordinary laptop, okay, it will not connect.
Yes.
Okay, but you can connect
Via cable.
Via cable, we can connect it.
Yes, physically.
Yeah, so we can able to connect physically. So
TV.
Yes, TV is on already. Okay, I think
you have to give a cable connection also. Okay?
Let's forget the TV. So mobile it hasn't connected automatically.
Oh yes, yes. We can remove that one also.
Yeah. So configure, we can give the IP address for the mobile. See, he has taken some DHCP. So remember, guys, whenever you connect the DHCP, this thing, so automatically you will get IP address from DHCP.
For wireless.
The wireless. It starts from 0. You can see, right?
Okay.
Just a second. Let's check for this one. If we check for the laptop, same range IP address here also take.
101 it has come. 0.101.
Yeah.
That is
Yes.
100. This is 100.
Yes.
How about in our mobile phones?
In mobile phone also will get. No? Do you know how to check the IP address in mobile phone?
IMEI number I know touch, not that IP address. I'm just checking in that settings.
Yeah. Like if you want to give the IP address, same thing, we can give the IP address. Okay. So let's configure this. So this is my router. So what I'm going to do, so interface gigabyte 0/0. Let's say I will give this IP address 192.168. This is my 1.1. Okay, so now the interface is coming up. Okay, then interface. Okay, I must give 1.1 for this interface in gigabytes. 0/1 192.168. This is my 2.1. So as you can see, if you open your wireless router, okay, so how do I access this? Okay, this is my GUI interface, guys. You can see red screen.
GUI.
Yeah, GUI interface.
Graphic user interface.
GUI. So now it is DHCP. We can use static wireless access point. We can make it. The range what you have given here, we can change the range. Say example, let's say I want to start from 100. Okay, and starting IP address is 0.100. If you make save setting, see now it has got disconnected. Now it is connected. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, 100 IP address starting from 100.1. If you check the IP address of this laptop, still you have not taken. Okay,
Taken a pipa.
now he has taken, right?
Oh, no, no, Pipa.
100. Oh, no.
Yes,
100.100.
He has taken, right?
Yes.
Okay, same thing. Let's check this guy. Yeah, 100.1. Okay, so this is the GUI interface. Okay, same interface we can see in all these Cisco Wi-Fi routers. What router has showed to you, these all options are available there. We can give automatic, manually. Okay, for the wireless, if you talk, okay, we can give password also. You know what is SSID? Any idea? Sorry, what is SSID?
What ID, Taj?
SSID.
SSID.
What is SSID?
SSID. No idea, Taj.
The identification of the user.
Okay.
User identification.
Okay.
Understood?
It's a service set identifier.
Set identifier.
Googled, huh?
Yeah.
You Googled now.
Yesterday I'm
Because
waiting.
I wanted to know the full form.
Yes.
Yeah, sequence of characters that
No, in the
uniquely
ID,
names like
SS ID, ID is nothing but for that identification purpose. That is understood. But what is that SS? I was not knowing.
service set.
Oh,
Service set. Okay, let's set service set. Okay, so let me set. I'll use Cisco.
what
Enable.
does it mean? That service set means on
It
what kind of?
It will show you on the screen when you scan your network. It will show you the identification Cisco. So let's say I'll give our company name. Okay, I can give this one also. This is for my 2.4G. Okay, for the 5G, okay, I'll give a different name. This I will use Cisco network. Okay, channel, let's take automatic for the 5G and this thing. Okay, even you have the 5G, how many? 5G 2, 1. This also I can change. So this I'll change to Palo Alto. Palo Alto network. Let's take everything auto, or manually also we can give. Okay, if you want to change the channel, okay, channel also we can say auto. Okay, after this, save the changes. Can we create the password for wireless security?
Yes.
Yeah.
WAP2.
WAP2.
Personal.
Okay. Write the phrases. I will give Cisco 1, 2, 3.
Is it caps or no lowercase? No. 1, 2, 3.
No, I will take just small letters.
Okay.
Cisco 1, 2, 3. And same thing I'll paste for all. So why these people are not getting connected now?
They have to put the password, Taj.
Then how do I do this?
Go to the Wi-Fi for this one.
So PC wireless.
Yeah.
Okay.
Connect.
Connect. Okay.
Now
Refresh.
connect. Yeah.
Refresh.
Select the network.
Can you see we are getting right? Cisco network, Palo Alto
Yeah.
network, AROUSH network.
You
Right.
can select Cisco network. That
Okay,
is the one
Cisco
you
network. Okay.
Yeah,
Connect. Now it's asking the password.
Yeah.
Cisco 123.
So
Cisco 1, 2, 3.
Cisco 1, 2, 3. Connect.
Connect.
Now this
Now
guy
it's
is
getting
connected, right?
connected. Yes.
It's interesting. Guys.
Yes, that's
Yes. Yes,
very,
sir.
very interesting. Taj, after this CCNA, CCNP kind of thing, can we go for this one IoT or anything else? That would
Yeah,
be
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
IoT.
Internet of Things. Yeah.
Because next is coming this that one itself, guys. Because all the devices you can able to control in single app. Very good feature is through internet we can connect any part of the world. Suppose you are in US, your family is in India. Okay, all connected with a single tap with the IoT devices to your mobile. Even door, everything, who is coming in, out.
Yes, Taj, even they could able to
Yeah.
monitor it with
You
Wi-Fi
can
cameras.
monitor your fridge is on, TV is on, your light is
Yes.
on,
Yes.
your geyser is on, you can check everything we can monitor by sitting in US.
Yeah.
It's already started, guys, in Bangalore.
IoT.
A lot of people are
Even
using.
even Google Home, this one Amazon Alexa, that audio, even they also work under IoT theme, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
I
yes.
have Amazon Alexa. Me also working same like that sometimes.
But the thing is, be careful, man. All your data will be
Yeah.
captured by Amazon people.
Yes. Yes.
Whatever you speak, everything
I
it
was
gets
buying
recorded.
last 2 years back that Amazon Alexa.
No, that now they have given one option. You buy Alexa from Amazon, use for 10 days, give it back to them, full money back.
Yeah, it's there.
Oh, that the 10 days is for them. It's enough, right?
Replacement.
It's
Yeah.
not a replacement. It is
Yeah,
just
sorry,
like
return.
a
Yeah,
data
return.
get data capturing. It's
Yes.
a business, Papa.
Yeah, that's what it's all about, business only.
Yes, the 10 days they are giving also for them. Data is very important than the devices.
Yeah,
Even
because
they will go at a loss, but still they have data.
data is like they can sell,
Information is
no?
important. Am I right, Mr. Taj?
Yes.
They can sell the data.
Yes, obviously. Even say for example, you speak anything related to mobiles or anything in the with Alexa, okay, and you leave after some time, you open your Amazon app and anything. If you open it, the first pop-up message will be the mobile advertisements will be there. You see.
Yeah, because that will show you search, no?
Even Google does that same thing.
So what I should do, guys? Here, I want to connect. I'm not able to connect my mobile phone. Okay, this is my network.
Go to mobile touch. Go to mobile.
Go to
Okay.
mobile.
Yeah.
Attributes or something. Oh, this one, that physical.
Wireless.
WA2PSK. Here it's there, right?
WP.
WAP2.
WAP2.
WAP2. Usually I will be connecting with W2.
User ID.
What is the user?
We can take automatic touch actually.
No, automatic we should give this one. Password, no?
But we can give no
Password in value.
No,
Okay,
we can use
now
Cisco
still you
123
didn't
is the
give
password.
Now you are given. Now you give.
How I should do? What is the SSD? SSID? Let's connect to my Cisco network. It is SSD or SSID 2T or which one?
SSID. WPA2 PSK.
That's correct.
I have to select WPA2 PSK. What is the difference between 2 and 2 PSK?
Wireless access point, secure words, more secure.
PSK.
And PSK, more secure that.
More secure. Should get selected, right? Touch, you can enter that user ID and password. Okay.
WIT1 or 2? Which one we have configured? First check this router.
It's 2 only, Taj.
WPA2. WPA2. And the encryption is WPA2 channel personal. Enabled AROUSH Cisco 123. SSID you can check it, Touch. AES. No,
SSID is AROUSH solution.
AROUSH solution.
Cisco network.
Cisco network.
So let's connect to Cisco network now. Where is SSID? That's it.
That's it. Oh, here Cisco network. Cisco.
Password is
no, it's went off.
Why is not taking?
Only ASCII characters only showing user ID.
You check, guys, because it's very simple app. Because I don't want to take more time here. Let me go to the real app so that I think we'll get some more questions here. You know how to access your router, guys? All of you?
Yes. 192.168.1.1. User ID and password admin.
I changed the password to admin to my own.
So this is my admin this thing password where I don't know what is the password.
Let me I will also open the
so this is my Wi-Fi router, guys. Okay, I will explain this. After this we'll discuss just 10-15 minutes regarding this. We'll wind up the session. We'll start tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
I'll show you the only important thing regarding the Wi-Fi here. If you talk about the Wi-Fi basic, because one more different GUI interface will be different, guys. It's not like same like US. Okay, mine is different and US is different. Okay, because mine is a D-Link router. What I'm using it now. So we can see I have selected all these options. I think I have given tech. This is my 2G and this is my 5G. You can see right on the screen. And this is my 4G. So right now I have given like name for just for remember. Okay, Cyborg I have given. And for the 2G, okay, if I see this, I think I have given tech, AROUSH Solutions Private Limited, tech I have given. So SSD, I'll make it hide so that no one can see that one. Okay, same thing here also. I think I have done the hidden my SSID. Wireless network SSID will not appear in the list of available network for the customer. Go to the hide network. You can connect manually because I want to hide this because I don't want to see my network name. Because there is other options. If you scan, especially in cybersecurity, okay, even the hidden network also it will show you. How I have made it hide, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that one also we can do that. So I have selected wireless access point 2. I think I don't know, forgot the password. Yeah, I thought using my name I have given. Very easy password. And here also I think I have given the same thing. And see, the wireless is a mix. Always you take the mix one because so that it will support all your BGN. If you talk about the 5G, okay, so here it will support EAC mixed. ACEAN.
A or N.
PARA. So I have taken all. So it's good for security perspective. I need to change the password. If I change the password means I think it will get disconnected. A lot of option, guys. We can do the MAC filtering also. We can block your PCs inside the network to which one you want to block. Okay, whether it is connected to how many network connected to my enable MAC filtering. Okay, allow, deny. Also we can do. I don't want to do that changes, which is not required because I have not applied any rules. And we can do routing also. Even we can do some firewall if you want IP filtering. So we can block which IP you want to block. We can able to block this, whichever the IP address you want to block. Or DMZ, delimiter zone, like enable the NAT looping, okay, MAC filtering, URL, even you can block your URL also. It's not required. Okay, DOS protection. I think they should be on. So pre-source IP flood. CCNP. Enable DOS filtering may lead to slight decrease overall performance of the device. VLAN. Okay, UDP bomb. You know what is UDP bomb? Okay, TCP sync with data, TCP scan, IP tiering, pre-op landing, TCP UDP port scanning. Because I don't want other people to do this, my activities on my device. I'm not going to allow this. Why I should allow to do this? Right? I am not here to do the experiment, right?
Yes.
People, we cannot do the experiment. If I make it on this, okay, so they start doing like scanning the makeup because I think last year I told you, right? If we talk about, I think in Wi-Fi, other network, some other network in my area. So one guy, he has done doing some scanning. When I was teaching the cybersecurity, okay, I'm getting the pop-up message. Okay, that his Wi-Fi network is little boy.
Okay.
Little boy. Okay, so then something is doing. Let me check what this guy is doing. So then I start scanning, monitoring that Wi-Fi. The backside of our building. So he's actually, maybe I think he's learning cybersecurity. He's doing some commands in Kali Linux.
Oh.
He's doing some R&D. You don't know. I'm sure he's not good in that. He's still learning. So I scanned. So his network come to my desktop. The network SSID has given little boy. And then I was doing some experiment. Let's hack this guy.
Okay.
So I hacked this guy. He don't know. Okay, I enter into this PC. I can Windows 10. Okay, so even I can see he's using one laptop and 3 mobile phones. I don't know which are their mobile phones. All IP address I got it.
Wow.
So just to make fun, what I did, I shut down this PC. Right? Okay. And there's a command we can do in Windows 10 also. We have a command we can do shutdown. So he got suddenly shocked. How come this shutdown? Okay, I prepared one in PowerPoint. In Paint. I have prepared one small slide. Okay, so you need to pay $20,000 US. So your entire network, including your family, everything, your friends, all people are hacked. We are monitoring here.
You said like that?
I send one poster on the screen.
Totally got shocked, I guess. Amazing. Wow.
And that guy, you know what he did. So then I stopped this thing. Yesterday, he got on. After that, I had not done anything. He's trying to attack me.
Again.
He's doing scanning. Nmap, there is a command. So in Kali Linux, I don't know how many people have done this. This is Nmap. Means network mapping. So it will scan the entire
12:10 వరకు ఉంటుంది.
So entire 10 network. Entire scan is going to what are the PCs we are using, what is the IP address, website. Okay, I'll show you the few things about like ethical hacking tips. It takes a lot of time to explain that. I don't want to explain much about here, guys, because I don't want to change any modification. So otherwise, it will be a problem for me. Right? Yes. Again, I should spend time to do this. But I'll show you one thing. Not connection, LAN. Routing is there,
Connection setup.
Thing advanced. Routing also we can do it. Yeah. You lost unsaved changed. Okay. See, routing also we can do. Add. So IPv protocol auto. Okay, dynamic or LAN. Okay. Destination, mask, and gateway, and metric. Networking. This is called automation, guys. When you're because everything is automation is coming in industry now.
Yes.
What are the things you are learning? I learned till now. URI, PHRP, OSPF, all the routing protocols. Everything we need to do like this. Network, mask. Okay, we can see all the right. All the network you can see. Gateway. So which gateway you want to connect, and metric we can give the calculation depending upon the connections. Like this, we can able to add the routing. So even you can do your remote access. Okay, remote access. This when you take your public IP for remote access, we can add this IP address. So open access from an external host. Okay, the port number 80, we can give which one, telnet or SSH, a port number 80. How you want to access remotely? If I take the static IP from ISP, so I can give this access my server. Okay. Okay, guys, I don't want to explain much here. Okay, so I think clear this. So what I want to emphasize, okay, let me tell you this. Okay, you do, guys. I think you can be able to do it. Connect it.
Yes, that's
it's very simple connections. Okay, so Monday, guys, I'm going to start switching.
Okay.
Switching has very less topic, guys. So I think you can complete next Monday to next Friday. Is it possible from 9:30 to 12:30 from Monday, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, no worries. Right? No worries, no worries.
Okay, we'll start from 9:30 to 12:30. We'll start earlier. So after like Tuesday, we'll start early morning, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, okay.
9 to 12.
Okay,
so
that would be great.
In daytime, okay, you can do some of your office work or your personal work, right?
Yes, that's. Okay. I took a night shift only for them.
Yeah. So we'll start this thing. And tomorrow, guys, Saturday and Sunday, as you know that I'm taking some other batch for CCNA. Okay, if you want, already I think I shared you the link. If you want, you can join it. Okay, and tomorrow's topic, what I'm explaining, I think I'm explaining them OSPF LSA. LSA and ACL, NAT. So this topic I'm going to explain tomorrow. Maybe I think tomorrow I think they will join many people, I guess. Yeah, Pawan, you also join
Yeah.
tomorrow, man.
Yeah, 100%, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow join. Maybe some other people also they are joining. Because you
Okay,
know,
sir. Which time, sir? Afternoon or morning, sir?
Afternoon, 2 o'clock.
Yeah, okay, sir.
2 to 6. I think you joined last time.
Yeah, last time I was joined, sir.
Last time you joined. I think this time I think they'll join many people. But they'll ask him very good question, Pawan. I noticed.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, African people, they ask very good questions.
Yes, sir.
Technical. 2-3 people are there. I think Lawrence, Clara,
Yes, sir.
I think, or 2-3. They ask very good questions.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Then see you then tomorrow.
Yeah, sure, Dakshin.
Yeah.
See you.
Okay, sir. Thank
If
you.
anybody want to join tomorrow, no issues. You can join.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay then. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.